Now, example number 2, find derivative of each of the following, right? So, y prime equals, derivative of phi equals 0, right? Derivative of cosecant s is negative cosecant s times cotangent s, right? And you have the negative side here, so it turns out to be positive, right? So it should be cosecant s cotangent s, right? Now, question 2, h prime of s equals, rewrite number 2, right? Parenthesis. And then we're going to use the product rule, right? Derivative of s equals 1. Then I just rewrite tangent s. And then derivative of tangent s equals secant square of s, right? So it could be secant square of s. And then I rewrite s right here, right? Now, question 3. R equals sine theta over theta. So R prime, we're going to use the quotient rule, right? So it could be derivative of sine theta equals cosine theta, and then times theta, I put theta in the front, minus theta prime times sine theta, right? Over theta square. Now, sin theta is a variable, so theta prime equals 1, so I don't need this one, right? Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.